This is the Neewer M521 tripod or mini tripod. If you're anything like me, you've collected a few tripods over time, but hopefully this is the one that will put a stop to this trend or avoid you doing it in the first place. Here's the box it came with. It's said to be an aluminium alloy and made in China. That's the model number. So let's open it up and have a look. So the first thing we get is an Allen key. Then we get the actual unit itself tucked away with plastic. We get a bit of an instruction manual. And this is all tucked away. That's what it looks like from the top. Some of the branding. So let's unfold these legs and see what it does. Starting folded up, there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 click points. So every time you click that in, it will actually lock in to a particular point where it doesn't move anymore and it locks in place. So that way you do that on each one of the legs. So it's very easy to do. It comes with a quick release Arca plate, which is adjustable and has a couple of lock nuts to keep the plate safe from falling off, particularly if you've got a camera on it. Whilst it doesn't have a D-clip, it does have an Allen key slot and you can use just a screwdriver or a coin. The knob that keeps the plate in place is nice and has a secure feel to it, even as you tighten it up. Extending legs involves twisting anti-clockwise with a gentle tug to pull out one leg segment at a time, with a final clockwise twist to lock it all in place. To rotate the ball head, just loosen this handle, find the position you want. Whilst it's loose, you can also twist the top to find the perfect angle, finishing with a tighten to lock it all in place. There is a round bubble level to help you gauge if you've got the right plane or not. It's worth mentioning that you can pull out the knob if it's ever bumping up next to the camera. The rubber feet are soft but hard, if that makes sense, which won't disintegrate but soft enough to hold it onto the surface. I also like the foam on the legs, which I've found helps dampen the table edges to hold it in place. The center pole has a tightening neck to fix the height of the pole, even though it does have limited height to work with. Another cool aspect of this tripod is that the center column can be removed and flipped around. Just unscrew the bottom plate, which keeps the center pole from overextending, pull the center pole out, flip it around and resecure the bottom plate. Find whichever angle you need with the extended legs to get up close and personal to whatever you're filming. Cool, huh? This tripod is rated at 5 kilos or 11 pounds, which is strong enough for any DSLR or mobile phone. I bought this for $69.99 AUD, and given its versatility, I trust I won't regret this purchase and expect you won't either. Check the description for my affiliate link to this product on Amazon. Here's another product you might be interested in next.